Unleashing the power of adverbial prepositional phrases. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to dive deep into a very important aspect of English grammar: adverbial prepositional phrases. More specifically, we'll be focusing on the advanced usage of using multiple adverbial prepositional phrases in a single sentence. Ready to boost your English skills? Let's get started. To kick things off, let's quickly refresh our memory. An adverbial prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and acts as an adverb. In simpler terms, it gives extra information about how, when, where, why, or to what degree an action is done. For example, in the sentence, "She reads in the library," "in the library" is an adverbial prepositional phrase, telling us where she reads. Now, let's dive into the main topic: using multiple adverbial prepositional phrases in a single sentence. It may sound complex, but it's just about layering extra information onto your sentences. For instance, look at this sentence. He walked in the park, on a sunny day, with a smile. See how we've used 3 different adverbial prepositional phrases. Each one adds another layer of detail to the action, walked. The phrases tell us where, when, and in what manner the walking happened. And notice how each phrase is separated by a comma for clarity. Beware of common mistakes while using multiple adverbial prepositional phrases. The most common mistake is misplacement, which can change the meaning of the sentence. For instance, "He saw a dog on the way to the park" could mean either the dog or the man was on the way to the park. So be careful with the placement of your phrases. Don't just learn the rule, practice it. Try making sentences with multiple adverbial prepositional phrases. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. And that's a wrap on our topic: multiple adverbial prepositional phrases. It might seem tricky at first, but with regular practice, you'll be crafting complex, detailed, and descriptive sentences in no time. Remember, the key to mastering any language is consistent practice. I hope this lesson has been useful to you, and as always, keep practicing and stay curious. Keep exploring the beautiful world of English grammar, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!